The four Imams of Ahl Sunnat wal Jamaat. Imam Abu Hanifa and Imam Malik both have mutual relationship of respect with each other, and they used to have debates over Islamic concepts for hours. Imam Abu Hanifa had two best students, Abu Yusuf and Imam Muhammad, and he sent them to Imam Malik for studies. Imam Shafi was student of Imam Malik and Imam Muhammad, and this is how he exposed to Maliki and Hanafi madhab. Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal was a student of Imam Shafi and Abu Yusuf. All the four Imams of Ahl Sunnat wal Jamaat were connected to each other as students or teachers. In the next slide, you could see the details of each Imam, where and when they were born and died, and their ages and status in the society in terms of wealth.